Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of multiple charts for the TopFX cTrader platform. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can have on one window more than one chart. Now the easiest way to do so is through the asset list. Make sure you choose your asset that you want to have extra besides the one already pre-selected. So in this case I have GBP USD. Let's assume that I want to see the US dollar with the Swiss franc. I highlight the asset from the list, right click, a sub menu would appear, and click on new chart, and I just added another chart. Let's do another one. Let's do instead of Forex this time, let's do energies. Let's say I want to add oil. So Brent or crude oil. Again, we highlight it, right click, create new chart, and let's do another one. In this case we're gonna do shares, for example. I highlight the share, Coca-Cola, right click, new chart, and as you can see I just added 4, and you can add as many as you want. Now make sure you watch the follow-up video where I can show you how to remove or change the chart. See you soon.